I'm relaxed, very important. My right knee goes up as high as it can, and from that position, I'm just going to tap 5, 4, relax, 3, 2, 1, then bring it down. We do it again. Relax, knee goes up as high as you can, guys. Then we count 5, tap, 4, 3, 2, 1. The tapping is tricking the brain into thinking you're actually touching something stable. And another thing that it's also doing is preventing you from leaning too much forward. Because sometimes if we're actually just holding the knee up and just keeping our hands on the table, we may have a tendency to lean forward and not get the benefits of the taps, which makes all these other muscles fire, the stabilizers muscles, to keep us upright. The safety part is you are cognizant and very aware of that this stable surface is in front of you. Let me show you a side view. So this is a different level for this same exercise. What's the difference? Instead of 3 points of contact, both hands on one leg, I'm going to have 2 points of contact. So it will be this hand and this leg, and it won't be 2 points of contact when I start tapping. So here's that same knee goes up, foot's relaxed, I tap, 5, 4, 3, 2, shoulders leveled, 1. I show you again, relax. And just breathe into it, 5, 4, 3. You can experiment, you can go higher, 2, 1. Safety is always number 1, and you want to do the exercise you feel most comfortable. And of course, we would do the other side. So variation 2. So we did this way with 2 hands, and knee goes up. Next thing we can do is have one arm up, not easy, and then have this knee up, and I tap. 5, 4, 3, look straight, 2, 1, and then back down. Yeah, that reminds me too, when you're doing these balance exercises, you want to make sure that there is no loud noises or anything that may affect your concentration. Just want to put that out there. And there's no wrong way of doing this. If you like the little taps, that works. If you like the higher taps, it's all good. You want to do what's most comfortable for you. So now I'll give you this view. Hand to the side.